Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we'll see how to combine three columns in Excel. Excel is popular as a spreadsheet application, but is also used to maintain lists and databases. When working with tables or sets of data, you may need to combine three columns. Excel has several functions that can be used to manipulate text, and here we will look at three of them that can be used to combine three columns. The first one is the ampersand operator. So I select a cell in which I want the combined columns value to appear, select equal, then I select the first value and then use the ampersand, which is a concatenation operator. Now when I'm combining data from three columns, it is a good idea to use some kind of delimiter such as a space or a hyphen so that the distinction between the data is clear. So in this case, I'm going to use a hyphen. So I specify a hyphen here, another ampersand, and then the second value, and then again join it with a hyphen, and then finally add the last piece of text in the third column and say enter. So now you can see that the three columns have been combined and a hyphen has been used to separate the values. I can then just drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to the rest of the cells. So this is the first way to you can do this. I'll just delete this. The second way is to use the concat function. So again type equals and say concat. Here I select the first column and then again give the delimiter. Here I just need to separate everything by commas. Again the delimiter and then the third value and close brackets and press enter. Here again this has the same result with hyphen as a delimiter, and I just drag this down to the rest of the column. This is the second way of doing this. Let's delete this and look at the third way, which is using the text join function. So using the text join function, you can actually specify the delimiter at the beginning. You don't have to type it each time. Now I'm going to ignore empty cells because I don't want that included. And then I can select the text and separate it by commas. So having selected the text from the third column, I close the brackets and then say enter. So here again, I have the text from three columns combined, all separated by a hyphen. I can then just drag this down to the rest of the columns. So these are three ways in which you can combine three columns in Excel. Please read the appended article for further guidance.